Hello students, in this video we will discuss about a numerical problem related to Bayes theorem. Problem is, in a factory which manufactures bolts, machine A, machine B and machine C manufactures respectively 25%, 35% and 40% of the bolts. Of their outputs, 5, 4 and 2% are respectively defective bolts. That means manufactured by machine A, which manufactures the 25% of whole manufacturing, but 5% is defective bolt produced by machine A, and 4% defective bolt produced by machine B, while 2% of defective bolt produced by machine C. A bolt is drawn at random. That means from the whole manufactured bolt, one bolt is drawn, and it is found to be defective. That means those bolts drawn from the production, that bolt is defective. Now our question is, what is the probability that it is manufactured by machine B? That means that defective bolt manufactured by machine B, we should find the probability of that. Now here, first we consider that let B1, B2 and B3 are as follows. B1 is the produced by machine A. B2 produced by machine B, and B3 is produced by machine C. Let E is any event of bolt that it is defective. That means E is the event of defective bolt. Now first here we draw the tree diagram. Suppose this is the machine A, this is the machine B, and this is the machine C. This is the production of machine A1 is A is B1, B2 by machine B, and B3 by machine C. Since E is the event of defective bolt, now we have probability of B1. That means how many percent production produced by machine A. This is given that 25%. That means here P of B1 is equal to 25%, means 25 upon 100. This will be 0.25. Percent of manufactured by machine B, that is B2, that means P of B2 is equal to 35%, that means 35 upon 100 equal to 0.35. Now here P of B3 is equal to 40%, that means 40 upon 100, this will be 0.40. Now defective bolt produced by machine A, machine B and machine C are given here 5%, 4% and 2%. That means if we find the defective bolt produced by defective bolt produced by machine A, that means P P of E slash B1 E slash B1 is equal to 5%. That means 5 upon 100. B by B machine, this will be probability of E by B2. This will be 4%. That means 4 upon 100. And by C, this will be probability of E slash B3 is equal to 2 upon 100. This is the tree diagram. Now we want to find if one bolt is drawn from the product and it is found the defective, what is the probability that manufactured by the machine B? That means we want to find P of E upon E slash B2. That means that defective bolt produced by B machine. Since B2 is the production of B machine, so we want to find P of E slash B2. This is our question. Now here apply the Bayes theorem. Therefore by Bayes theorem we can write P of E slash B2 equal to P of B2 into P of E slash B2 whole upon P of B1 into P of E slash B1 plus P of B2 into P of E slash B2 plus P of B3 into P of E slash B3. Now we can understand this. This is the favorable event and this is the total event. That means this is the probability of all defective bolts by the machine A, B and C. Now putting the value of this P of B2 means 0.35 into P of E slash B2. This will be E of B2. That will be 4 upon 100. That means this will be 0.04 whole upon P of B1. This is the 0.25 into P of E slash B1. This will be 0.05 plus 0.35 into 0.04 plus P of B3 means 0.40 into P of E slash B3. This will be 0.02. Now calculate it. This will be 4 5 are 20, 4 3 are 12 plus 2 14. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 0.140 whole upon this will be 25 5 are 125 and this will be 0.0125 plus this will be 4 5 are 20, 4 3 are 12 plus 14, 0.140 plus this is the 0.008 sorry 0.080. Now we calculate it. This will be 0.0140 whole upon this will be 5, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 2 14, 1 plus 1 2, sorry, this is also 0. 1 plus 2, 2 plus 1 3, and 0. This will be 0.140 divided by 0.345, and this is the 140 whole upon 345. Now cancelled it. 5 2 ja 10, 5 8 ja 45, 5 6 ja 30, and 5 9 ja 45. This is the probability of that bolt is manufactured by machine B. Now in the next video we will take another numerical problem.